Out here early trying to test the soil temperature. Still warm. About to get my cut on, and I need to circle back on something I told you guys before. Remember when I told you guys you can make your own super juice by using some simple products like this humic acid, some liquid kelp. I remember telling y'all throwing some molasses off in there. I introduced y'all to some fish fertilizer. I told y'all to use some iron like this. And this I told you is some super juice. Similarly named after a product that was created by one of the YouTubers out there that a lot of people follow. Now, I'm not a big channel, but there's still a few followers, and I've had people to contact me and tell me that this stuff works amazing, and especially for the cost. Now, y'all might think that this is a product used to make your grass green. Now, that's a byproduct of all these chemicals mixed together is getting green grass, but there's so much more going on with this than meets the eye. These products right here, especially the humic acid, I mean, it really helps the grass uptake nutrients. It really puts the nutrient uptake on overdrive. It doesn't make the grass green, it just makes the grass more efficient in uptaking whatever nutrients that are there, or the nutrients that you put in the ground, even synthetic nutrients. This is something that I use all the time anyway. The next thing that's on here, I told you guys to use with this molasses. I probably made a video here and there about this stuff, but this right here also boosts your lawn. And before I go too far, this is in a lot of products that you may not even know. My organic fertilizer that I use has molasses in it. Molasses really kicks up the nutrients in the soil. It really helps. Some people use this as a dethatcher, and some of the liquid dethatchers that are out there on the market contains this right here. So this right here basically makes the microorganism eat up the thatch that's in the lawn. Like worms and things like that. This right here just drives them higher, so you're getting that benefit right there. And then also, this is fish fertilizer, and it also has NP and K, but this is just organic, plain old fish fertilizer. It's all natural. It's been here a gazillion years. This also feeds the soil as well as the lawn, the grass, the actual grass. This is a soil enhancement too, also, not just fertilizer. And one of the the NP and K here, that's the MAC, MAC, macronutrient. But the grass don't survive on that alone. They also survive on micronutrients, meaning that they don't need as much of this as they do of that. And one of the things that helps with the color is iron. Another thing that I didn't add to the super juice, which you can definitely do, and it'll probably make it work a lot better. This is a foliar application for the most part. I know the liquid that kept it's going to get down into the soil and everything, but still I'm using this is but primarily a foliar application. And whenever you're doing a foliar application, or whenever I like to use a surfactant. And what this surfactant does, the surfactant attaches to all the leaves blades. It spreads it. It allows more of the liquid to stick to the blade, giving better coverage, quicker uptake, and it's just more efficient. So that's why I use a surfactant. You can add the surfactant to this also. I just wanted to give a quick rundown on what's actually beneficial from this product. And I know that most people are wanting to use it because it gets the lawn green. It does, but I really threw some beneficial organic gardening in there for you guys, and I wanted you guys to actually let you know that. And if you like that, I would like for you to tip on over, maybe for a season, try what I'm telling you about, getting off the dope, and that's what I call the synthetic fertilizers. Jump off of that, switch over to the organic side, because the same way they say this stuff is expensive, but it's not when you look at it over time. This thing right here is this. All these products are pretty cheap, with the exception of the Hydrotane. This stuff is pretty cheap, and then it goes a long way. You'll definitely last you a whole season doing this, if not 2 or 3 seasons or years, depending on what type of grass you have. I think I'm gonna try to make a video showing you guys how to detox, which I did make a detox video showing you how to get the salt that you've been using inside those synthetic fertilizers, how to get that out of your soil, so that you can bring back the biology of your soil, the microorganisms, the worms, and the beneficial nematodes and things like that, the fungi, the beneficial fungi, all that stuff that helps the plant grow and protect it from diseases like the fungus that everybody is getting around the watering times. When I say watering times, the rainy season and the heat. So jump on over to my page, like and subscribe, and I'll see you over there.